Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The Constitution of Pakistan, a mistreated document that has been used and abused by many a dictator and democrat alike, is the basic law that holds together a fragile system of governance, rights, and politics. Full stop. Despite the attacks the Constitution has suffered over the years, we thankfully also have plenty of cases where the Constitution won against all odds. Last year's Supreme Court verdict a case in point. Full stop. Despite the significance of this rule book, most people have no idea about the content of the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan. Full stop. New para. This is why it is heartening to know that Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's government has decided to include the country's constitution in school courses. Full stop. The fact that for many in the country the constitution is a rather covert document leaves room for strict leaders to crush over people's rights without any accountability. Full stop. Not only does the constitution provide a list of the rights the country's citizens are outstanding by the state ultimate human rights, it also lays down the process by which the country is to be run, who contests elections, how legislature is formed, what happens if elections are needed. Full stop. New para. Setting up a course which would allow scholars to become aware with the constitution is essentially a good idea. Full stop. We need our children to understand the importance of the law, especially the highest law of the land. Full stop. This is important especially in a country where the constitution has been called a piece of paper to be thrown away. Full stop. Much significance, however, lies in how education on the constitution is imparted and how able teachers are to help children and young people understand precisely what it means. Full stop. The document needs to be taught at a more basic level to younger children and in gravity to those who are at ages where they are capable of understanding the particulars of the law of the land. Full stop. Indeed, during the teaching process there should be full stop.